Just take a look at yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. If you don't know me already, we do all things makeup on this channel, and if you want to learn how to do this St. Patty's Day makeup look, please keep on watching. Prime with P. Louise, of course. Going with Mikayla x Glamlite's 10 pan palette in Workaholic. I'm gonna go in with Workaholic and we're gonna make like a cut crease right on the inner corner. I'm gonna take that on a small dome brush. I'm just gonna pack that color in the spots that I want it to set the darkest, and then I'm gonna take a fluffier, smaller brush and slowly blend that out, but it's sped up for you guys. I then will just keep going back and forth until I get the color pigment I desire. Of course, I cut my crease and then I carve that out with P. Louise, and then I'm just adding a little green shadow on my lash line. I'm just taking NYX's glitter glue, I'm putting that on my lid, and then I'm taking 11, 20, 21 out of Mikayla x Glamlite's palette, just on my finger, putting that down first, and then taking some of this gold glitter that I got off Amazon. It's like a chunky glitter, but I don't want the chunky stuff, so I just put my finger in and then just dab it on. Mehron at Makeup Paradise AQ palette, my lovely, trusty, dusty, messy palette. And then I just got new liner brushes off Amazon, which will be linked in my storefront. These ones also have dotting tools on the end of them, which is really cool. The dotting tools are like my favorite. Like a rainbow. Of course, we're gonna ROYGBV this rainbow, and I'm just gonna follow the same line I used to cut my crease. I then decided I wanted to add some little fluffy clouds at the end of my rainbow. And while those dry, I'm gonna go in and line my eyes with black eyeliner. So I'm gonna take the leftover green shadow from my dome brush, and I'm just gonna tap that in the center of my clouds. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go back in with my white and create a little bit more clouds. Can't forget the lower lash line green. Going in with Kiss, Naked Drama, and Taffeta. My hand, it's so colorful. I applied my lashes and then went in with my favorite Essence mascara, and then went in to do my lips. For the lip liner is the NYX Suede matte lip liner in Cold Brew, which is one of my favorites. And then I went in with this Lush lipstick. I'm obsessed with the little Lush refillable lipsticks. Oh my god. And they're so creamy and they feel so good on the lips. And the only thing I hate is the packaging that I get that is reusable and sustainable. But like, I have another one that I really want to use, but it's red and I can't. But they're so creamy, they're so good. If you guys like this St. Patty's Day makeup look, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. And if you like me, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! See me do.